The Aegend goggles, and this is a little review. I have used this product before. This is a brand new one. The reason why I got a brand new one is because just for this review, right? So this product here is absolutely amazing. Let me tell you something, they suck. They suck so hard to your eyes, right? And these are really soft. So when you put them to your eyes, yes, they're right on, they suction right onto your eye sockets, but it's soft. It's not like a Walmart brand where you go out and you're like, oh, I'm gonna buy a Walmart brand, and you buy it and it just hurts your eyes. These don't hurt your eyes. And they don't fog, you know, you can see really clearly underwater. And you know what I noticed about the actual glass itself? It's not glass, but it's like the actual plastic. It's a high quality, so it doesn't scratch easy, and it's just a really amazing product. And it's very like bendy, which I've noticed, which is really good. Some of them, you know, I've noticed if you go buy a cheaper one, they bend and then they break. So, or they're just very, very painful to wear. So I highly recommend these. Go get them. They're the Aegend's really amazing product.